Don't be scared. Go get the ball, Sid. Kay Pablo. Kay Pablo. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Nice. Don't be scared, Sid. Nice, Sid. Nice. Corner, Sid. Sa kanila. Give the ball. Sila mag-ano ko corner. Sid, eyes on the ball. Defense. Defense na. Ayan na. Sa goal ka, sa goal. Eyes on the ball, Sid, ha? O, dyan ka lang. Goalkeeper ka.
Throwing, guys, throwing.
Nice, Sid. Don't be scared with the ball, ha?
Good job. But they miss. I just look at the ball. Good job.
Eyes on the ball. Eyes on the ball na.
Get the ball. Get the ball.
Right defense.
Eyes on the ball lagi. Listen lang kay tatay, pero eyes on the ball. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Nice catch. Nice, Sid. One more, Sid. Catch. Yan. Nice one. O, pass the ball kagad. Catch mo, Sid. Yan. Kunin mo. Nice, Sid. Stand up, Sid. Nice. It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. Very good, Sid. Don't cry. Good. Eyes on the ball. Ganun lang. Very good, Sid. Yeah, catch mo, Sid. Nice, Sid. Hold mo yung ball. Hold mo. Yan. Nice, Sid. Nice. Pass mo yung ball sa teammate mo. Ayan o.
Good job, Sid! Good job!
Nice job, Sid. Nice job. Eyes on the ball. Eyes on the ball. Eyes on the ball, Sid. Don't worry. Yan na, Sid.
Ben, one touch ba? Isang pinto lang yun. Ito mo lang sa harap mo. Kapag ka. Ito mo lang sa harap mo. Ben, tsaka mo lang yun.
Oh, pass sa teammate. Yun sa teammate. Sid, yun ang ball. Sa teammate, Sid.
Kasi, if you pass it in the middle, kukunin mo yung score. Dapat you pass it in the side. Para it's safe. Okay? Okay, pass the ball lang. Hey, go! Pass the ball to this guy. Safe.
Eyes on the ball, Sid. Don't be scared with the kick. Don't be scared, Sid. Catch the ball. Nice, Sid. Oh. Yung... Doon kayo. Oh, pass mo sa teammate. Nice, speed. Nice, Sid. Doon. Nice, Sid. Oh, ulit. Ganun doon, Sid. Doon sa kanya. Doon, bilis. Walang doon. Ay. It's okay. Okay, eyes on the ball. Yan na. Ay, Sid. It's okay. Yeah, pasa dyan, Sid. Kaya ano. Doon. Yan.
Wala kasi.
Sa middle, pag naka-goal, naka-score. Sid, eyes on the ball lagi. Eyes on the ball. Listen lang kay tatay. Huwag niya harap.
Sky, come here.
Oh, eyes on the ball. Huwag tatalikod. Oh, eyes on the ball. Pag haharap kay tatay, maglilisen lang. Look at the ball, Sid, ha? Catch, Sid! Oh, layo mo. Eyes on the ball.
Say, ganito, say.
Sid. It's okay, okay. Middle yun, Sid.
Daddy boy! Daddy, delivery!
Sid, very good, very good. Ooh.
Pass the ball back, please. Listen to me.
Sid, stand up agad. Ayun na, Sid, ayun na. Nice, Sid, nice, Sid. Stand up, stand up. Stand up ka agad, nice.
Hey, very good, Pablo.
Nice hit! Nice hit! Nice! Oh, pass it doon! Doon! Pass it! Sige, sige. Sara. Let them kick, Sid. Yan. Yan na, Sid. Eyes on the ball, Sid. Eyes on the ball. Nice. Eyes on the ball, Sid. Eyes on the ball. Very good, Sid. Very good. Eyes on the ball. Oo, Sid. Sa goal lang. Diyan ka lang, huwag kang lalapit. Oh, ganun dapat, Sid, ha? Yeah, very good. Oh, eyes on the ball, Sid. Oh, yan na, Sid.
Now, sit, sit.
Goal, Sid.
Go, Pablo, position. Sit, bilisan mo, sit. Faster.
Sid, yan na.
Not there. Di ba kay Pablo? Di ba katapin ito yung pass ng ganda nito? Ano nangyari?
Na-steal, Sid.
Speed. Pass it to the side. Okay?
Laging sa side, Sid, ang papasa, ha?
Basketball side, basketball.
Eyes on the ball, Sid.
Yes! Yes!
Eyes on the ball, Sid. Ready, ready. Sid, ba't ka nandun yung ball? Bigay mo, Sid, middle.
Wait.